Hi ladies, it's Rochelle here, introducing to you the Flexi Flip. So I gotta show you how awesome amazing this is. If you followed me at all, you probably saw the Flexi Clip over and over, but this is something so very different. So let me tell you about the Flexi Flip. There's 3 sizes, small, medium, and extra. This here that I'm showing you that I'm going to be wearing and styling for you today is the size medium. They're made out of high carbon steel, the music wire, so you still get that good flexibility and hold. But you know what's super special about these? They're made out of semi-precious stones. Check that out. The heather here features a metallic gold stone and an autumn jasper. So the camera's not really picking it up well out here today, but this is like so sparkly, this metallic goldstone, and then there's the autumn jasper. So super pretty. Let me show you what you can do with it. It's the fact that you can see how it goes here, and the arch is going down. Then you can flip this around. See how the arch is now going up? It holds much less hair. So these are at least 3 sizes in one, if not more. So take it from me. Let's do a half back, and we're going to feature this with the arch here on the pin going up so it holds less volume. Let's take half of our hair, pull it back. This is the medium size again, Flexi Flip. We're going to put that pin under the hair, the band over. We're going to simply lift that pin up and through the other side. There, it's giving me a nice hold with just half of my hair. Nice and secure. And I love it because look how big this looks. Now, normally in my half back in the Flexi Clip, I have to use a size extra small, which is literally only about half the size of this. So if you want something that makes more of a statement, you like the larger look in your hair, definitely you're gonna love the Flexi Flip. So let's see if this can hold a ponytail. I think it will. So you get tired of your hair being on your neck. Now we're going to put it, we're still going to use the arch up, but as you can see, it has different notches in this pin that's going to allow you size variance. So we're going to still with the arch up and a good, nice hold on the pony. Awesome. Now, it's even getting hotter during the day. I'm tired of the hair being down at all. Let's see if we can use it instead of the arch being up. We're going to scoop it with the arch down, so we're going to be able to hold more volume of hair. Let's see if we can do a little kind of messy French twist. Okay, we got all the hair going up on our neck. The pin is scooped downward, so it's going to hold more hair. We're going to grab hair on each side of the twist, lift the pin up and through. There you have it. Isn't that crazy? One size is going to do all of these hairstyles. Now let's see if we could do a bun, because in the bun I actually take a size large or extra large depending upon the volume of my hair, the curls that day. Again, we're going to use it with the arch going downward so that it holds more volume and grabbing hair on each side of the bun. Okay, I can do it, but it's a tight squeeze. Normally, I would say that I'd go ahead and move up to the size extra instead of just the medium. But it definitely will hold a bun. So there you have it, ladies. That is what's so special about the Flexi Flip. It just gives you that much. Wouldn't more options, right? So wouldn't this be a great item to have in your purse? That way when you go out, you might start with your hair down, half back, ponytail, and then you want to put it up during the day. You can use just one size of the Flexi Flip. Comment below and tell me, have you ordered your Flexi Flip? And look how special this suede leather pouch is. Your Flexi Flip is going to be packaged super special just for you to protect those semi-precious stones within this little pouch. So You all have a blessed day. I'm Rochelle Romans, an independent stylist with Little Rose.